Now that we know what visualization is, what are its benefits? It increases our ability to perform, to achieve one's mental state for competition, being in the zone or flow state. It helps performers shut out the crowd and it increases focus. It primes the brain to respond to mind-body connection. What if situations, new venues. It decreases anxiety. Stay relaxed before or between events because you've rehearsed over and over and over again. Rehearsal is comforting. If you've already been there in your mental practice, you know what to do now and how to prepare. With mental rehearsal, our brain goes more readily into a flow state, which decreases our sensitivity to pain. So you feel more ready.